Welcome back, viewers. My name is Christian Obodo. In this video, we are going to focus on indices part 2. If that is what you are interested to learn, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Indices. Let's see the first example. Simplify cube root of 4 raised to the power 1.5. It can also be written as cube root of 4 raised to the power 3 over 2. What I did there is to change the decimal to fraction. So let's solve 4 raised to the power 3 over 2. 4 raised to the power 3 over 2 equals to square root of 4, then raised to the power 3. And when we did that, it gave us 2, because square root of 4 is 2. Then raised to the power 3, and our answer is 8. Then bring down the cube root. That will give us cube root of 8, and which is equals to 2. That is our final answer. Example 2. Simplify 3 raised to the power n minus 1 times 3 raised to the power 1 minus n. In this case, we have the same base, 3, 3. And remember, in indices, multiplication is addition. So we are going to write it as 3 raised to the power n minus 1 plus, and into bracket 1 minus n. Then the next thing is to open our bracket, so which gave us 3 minus n plus 1 minus n. So 3 raised to the power n, bringing like terms together, n minus n will give you 0, and minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0. So everything now will amount to 3 raised to the power 0. And 3 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Example 3. Simplify 0.027 raised to the power 2 over 3. So the next thing is to change this decimal to fraction to make it easier. So, and that will give us 27 over 1000. Then raised to the power 2 over 3. So cube root of 27 over 1000 into bracket raised to the power 2. So cube root of 27 will give us 3, and cube root of 1000 will give us 10, all raised to the power 2. The square of 3 is 9, and the square of 10 is 100, or 0.09. The next one, simplify cube root of 8a raised to the power minus 6. We can rewrite this question as 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 times a raised to the power minus 6 times 1 over 3. They are the same thing. So that's what you can see there. So cube root of 8 times a raised to the power minus 6 times 1 over 3. So when we simplify that, it gave us a raised to the power minus 2. And cube root of 8 is equals to 2 times a raised to the power minus 2. When we multiply both of them together, our answer is 2a raised to the power minus 2, or 2 over a raised to the power 2. The next example says, simplify in bracket 18 over 32 raised to the power minus 3 over 2. The first thing we need to do here is, let's remove that negative. And to do that, 1 over 18 over 32 in bracket and raised to the power 3 over 2. So that is what we did. So the reciprocal of 18 over 32 will give you 32 over 18 raised to the power 3 over 2. If you look at this, 32 and 18, they have no perfect square. So we can reduce both of them by dividing by 2. And when we did that, it will give us 16 over 9 into bracket raised to power 3 over 2. Now we have numbers that have perfect square. So square root of 16 over 9 raised to power 3. So square root of 16 will give us 4, and that of 9 will give us 3 raised to power 3. Cube of 4 over 3 is equals to 4 times 4 times 4 over 3 times 3 times 3. And our answer is equals to 64 over 27. The next one, simplify quad root of 16a raised to power minus 12. So the question can also be written this way. 16 raised to power 1 over 4 times a raised to power minus 12 times 1 over 4. To make it simpler, quad root of 16 times, when we simplify this, we'll get a raised to power minus 3. And quad root of 16 is equals to 2 times a raised to power minus 3. When we multiply both of them, our answer is 2a raised to power minus 3, or 2 over a raised to power 3. That's our final answer. The next example says, simplify in bracket 2x raised to power 1 over 2 times in bracket 2x raised to power 3 raised to power 3 over 2. So the next thing we need to do is to remove the bracket. To do that, so we're going to write 2 raised to power 1 over 2 times x raised to power 1 over 2 times 2 raised to power 3 over 2 times x raised to power 9 over 2. What we did is to remove bracket. You can check the part 1 if there's anything you don't understand. So we have 2 raised to power 1 over 2 times 2 raised to power 3 over 2 times x raised to power 1 over 2 times x raised to power 9 over 2. Since the two, they have the same base. And remember, in your indices, multiplication is addition. So that's what we actually used here. So when we did that, we simplify 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2, and we got 2. So our answer will be 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by, when we simplify 1 over 2 plus 9 over 2, we got 5. So that's how come we got this answer. And 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4 multiplied by x raised to power 5. The next one says, simplify 4a raised to power 3b times 3ab raised to power minus 2. The first thing is to multiply the coefficient 3 and 4 together, and that will give us 12. Then we bring the like terms, a raised to power 3 times a raised to power 1. Then b raised to power 1 times b raised to power minus 2. So we apply the laws of indices here. A raised to power 3 plus 1, then b raised to power 1 into bracket minus 2. So 12a raised to power 4, then b plus times minus will give us minus, and 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1. So that's how come we got that minus 1. So our answer is 12a raised to power 4, b raised to power minus 1, or 12a raised to power 4 over b. The next one, simplify 4a raised to the power 3b times, in bracket, 3ab raised to the power minus 2. As you can see, 3ab is in bracket, so minus 2 is affecting everything in the bracket. So 4a raised to the power 3b times 1 over 3ab in bracket raised to the power 2. Remember our laws of indices. So since this is in fraction, let's make the other side to also be in fraction. So let's multiply the numerator, and that will give us 4a raised to the power 3b. Then the denominator, 3ab squared. Then 4a raised to the power 3b over 3ab squared can also be written this way, 3ab times 3ab, because of the square. So our final answer will be 4a raised to the power 3b over 9a squared b squared. Then we can further simplify it. So 4a times a times a, then times b, over 9 times a times a times b times b. We are doing this so that we can cancel, and when we did that, a will cancel a, b will cancel b, so we are left with 1a and 1b. So our answer is 4a over 9b. Thank you for watching.